So why I think you should speak at Data Platform Summit? Well, Data Platform Summit is one of the biggest data conferences in the world in the field of the Microsoft Data Platform. Actually, it might be the biggest one, I'm not sure. So many training days, so many sessions, so many speakers from all over the world. I did it last year, for example. It was online and it was a great platform. Not sure how it's going to be this year, but it was a very good platform for the speakers to prepare and to deliver the session itself. There was a lot of support there is a great team of people helping speakers, so everything is smooth. There was a WhatsApp group, I remember, with a lot of people helping and answering questions and stuff. The whole experience was very good. I got a lot of people in the room, in the virtual room. Another thing that is great about Data Platform Summit is that it uses multiple time zones. So there are different sessions in different time zones, and sessions are recorded, at least some of them. So they are rebroadcasted again in different time zones. So people get to see your session several times, maybe from different places in the world, which is great. So you have a lot of exposure. You get to meet colleagues and fellow speakers, and a lot of people from Microsoft are going to be there. I really enjoyed it last year. I already submitted my abstracts this year, and I hope to be there again as a speaker. And I hope to see you there too. So go ahead and submit your sessions. Good luck.